This is a $4,000 exhaust that we got for $500 on Facebook Marketplace. It is an AWE SwitchPath Exhaust for 911, and this is amazing because our car already sounds glorious. But this should bring it up to the next level. Now, how did I get such a great deal? Well, if you could see, we're missing a valve and it's used. So we're gonna make this a project. We're gonna clean this bad boy up. We're gonna get it Cerakoted, and then we're gonna get the new valve. We're gonna talk about valves. I'm also gonna show you guys how to test them and everything. And then we're gonna install them in the car. So it's gonna be a fun little series. All right, guys, let's show it to you up close. I also got the AW tips with the deal, which is super cool. And we're probably gonna Cerakote these as well because they're a little dirty, but it's awesome that we got everything here for $500. Wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for someone who told me about the deal. And I'm super grateful for the seller for packaging it right and everything, but let's show it to you. It is really, really nice. Now, first off, this exhaust would have cost us $4,000, but we're gonna fix it and we're gonna take care of it. Now, if you look here, we're actually missing a valve. It looks like we have the bracket, but when we come over here, this is the valve that we need. And it looks like we're missing the valve and then this attachment that goes to the actual like assembly inside. Now, I researched this already, and the crazy thing is this exhaust was used in different exhaust companies, like aftermarket ones, and people have seen these failed before, and I've already started to look for some replacements. I'm thinking I'm going to replace both of them. Now, when you look at the exhaust, it's not horrible, but it's definitely dirty. We're going to clean it up, and then we're going to Cerakote it. We're going to Cerakote it black like we did our exhaust tips. It's going to look great, and it's also going to protect our exhaust and reduce some heat, which is super cool. We're also going to buy some gaskets, some new gaskets when we mount it. And if you look over here, it looks like the previous owner already had a little bit of an exhaust leak because this shows an exhaust leak. So we're gonna make sure that our clamps are good. If not, we'll buy a set, but I think they were just probably too loose to begin with. And then after that, we're gonna make a video of how it sounds in a car, a POV video. It's gonna sound like a GT3 car, in my opinion. It's gonna sound amazing. So where does this go? It goes in the back, and it's gonna replace a heavy portion. So we're gonna lose some weight, and it's gonna sound really awesome. And the great thing about these exhausts, and the reason why it costs so much new, was because it's a valved exhaust, meaning that it's going to work with the original Porsche sport exhaust system with the button inside. Whenever you press it, you're going to be able to close it and open it, which is going to give you some options for noise level, which is really neat. So getting an exhaust like this with the tips as a project was perfect for driver's therapy, and we're super excited. So stay tuned because we're going to do a lot with this exhaust. It's going to be a fun project, and I'm excited. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Punch that like button, and we'll talk to you soon.